Hello learners, greetings from BITA Academy. We shall learn C language. So in this video, we'll have an introduction about the C language. C programming language, it was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at Bell Laboratories. So we'll quickly move into the slides. So we'll first look into the features of the C language. So C language is very easy to understand as it has only 32 keywords. It's also easy to debug. The dynamic memory allocation can be done easily using the malloc and calloc functions. It also has rich set of libraries. I'm going to use Notepad++ as the editor, and I'm going to compile and execute the code using the GCC compiler. So the command to compile the program code is GCC file name -o executable file name. So to execute the program code, we just type the executable file name. We'll then move on to the structure of a C program. So here is a sample code. The program begins with a single line comment statement, followed by the header file. Then comes the main part of the program, which is the main function. The actual lines of code are written within the curly braces. Then printf statement. Printf statement, it ends with the semicolon. Printf statement prints the output in the monitor screen. So now I have opened the Notepad++ and I'm going to type the same code that we discussed. Okay. Now, so this is the single line comment statement, and we also have the multi-line comment statement. So whenever this compiler, it sees these comment lines, it skips those parts. It does not execute these lines and all. And it is used only for the readability and for the documentation purpose. So now I'll include the header files. Include stdio.h. So the header file, it has the .h as the extension. And the header file, it contains the predefined functions that we can directly use into our program. And now we'll move into the main function. So the actual execution of the program, it begins from the main function. So your program code must contain a main function. And now I'm writing printf hello world, and I'm ending it with the semicolon. So this semicolon, it is the end of the statement. So this is similar to the full stop that we use in our English language. Okay. Now I'm going to save. So I'm choosing the correct directory. Okay. C source file. Hello world is going to be my file name. Okay. So now I have opened the command prompt. I'm going to compile the code using the GCC compiler. GCC file name -o executable file name. So the code has got compiled without any errors. In order to obtain the output, I'm going to write the executable file name alone. So the output hello world has got printed in the screen. Clear? So hope you understood the basic steps that we follow in order to write and execute the C code. So that's all for today, and in the upcoming videos, we'll learn more about the C programming language. Thank you and stay tuned.